Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is October 20th, 2012. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains or losses. Let's look at current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in a downtrend. Lots of growth stock broke down after reporting earnings. Some of them gap down huge. My strategy, I'm currently trying not to long this market. Let's look at some of the index, the charts. First of all is NASDAQ. NASDAQ usually lead the market. Right now, NASDAQ is leading the market to the downside. And previously on September, and NASDAQ made a new high on 3196. It pulled back, which is normal, but rebound could not reach the previous high and came down again. That is a warning sign. This came down, broke the 50-day moving average. And then the rebound reached 50-day moving average, came down really hard with a very, very huge volume. So that means the institutions are selling into this market, and NASDAQ is going down. SP 500 is a little stronger than NASDAQ, but it's also made 3 lower highs. It's very dangerous now. Gold. Gold may have already picked for the time being. It showed the topping pattern. Silver also roll over and fall below 30-day moving average. Right now, it's even broke 50-day moving average. US dollar is going down to the downside, and right now, and it's consolidating after the big downtrend. What to do during market downtrend? First of all, avoid long stocks and stay in cash. Sideline is the best place to be. If you know how, you may consider short stocks, or you may buy the reverse ETF. And for the SP 500, there's a SH. It's a one-time reverse ETF for the SP 500. TECS is a 3-time reverse ETF for technology index. However, shorting the market has higher risk than long the market, and you have to time it right. You really have to know how to time it and when to get in, when to get out. Or use the put option to play the earning. And most stocks has dropped a lot after the earning, so put option can benefit. Right now, I have 2 lists. One list is for stocks that's still holding up, and it doesn't mean you can buy stock from this list. It's just in case when market turn around, and those can be something to can become a next buy candidate. For now, you just watch it. And this is a much shorter list than the next list, which is a stock has already broke down. This is a very long list, and for the stock already broke down, definitely should avoid them, or some of them you may consider short them. Those are the stocks that are still holding up. Amgen, and that's still in the uptrend. COF in the uptrend. DVA is still going up. eBay is still in the uptrend. GNC is making the base, is holding up. HLSS is going up. IACI, and this is still making a base, but this stock is report earning next week, and that may change the chart. So the earning report is one of the catalyst event. It has a potential to completely change how the chart looks like. So earning is a wild card basically. KBH, KB Home, it's still going up. LL is still in the uptrend. Also report earning next week, so be very cautious. MasterCard is also going up. NSM is still in the uptrend. OCN is still in the uptrend, but the recent high did not reach the previous high, so it's making a lower high. So be cautious about this. Riverbed Technology, RVBD, and it broke previous downtrend and bounced back up. TCBI, and it was in the uptrend, and now it came to 50-day moving average, and has to be very cautious about this because it had a down day, which is very high volume. TDG is still in the uptrend. Visa still in the uptrend. VRX still in the uptrend. WPI is still in the uptrend. This is a generic drug. There are a lot more stocks currently in a downtrend. Apple broke down 50-day moving average, and with very high volume, it's going down right now. Align Technology gap down and with very huge volume after earning. Alexion Pharmaceutical broke 50-day moving average with a high volume, making it made a lower high. Amazon made 3 lower highs, stay below 50-day moving average. It's going down. Baidu also in a downtrend. Biogen made a lower high and broke 50-day. Caterpillar stayed below 50-day moving average. CEB had a huge down day. Celgene is also made lower high, going down. CF is stay below 50-day moving average. CMG had a huge gap down after earning. It did the same thing last quarter. Cirrus Logic below 50-day moving average. Equinix for below 50-day. Google had a huge down day on the earning day. Lululemon came down, also made 3 lower highs. Mellanox gap down after earning. Monster Beverage came down. Priceline.com also came down. Panera Bread came down. SolarWinds downtrend. Whole Food, it's also shown topping pattern. It hasn't broke down yet, but it's risky. I'd like to share with you some of the stock that's going to report earning next week. There are tons of stock report earning next week. And earning is a catalyst event that has a potential to change the chart pattern. So no matter how the chart looks like today, before the earning, after earning, that chart has a high potential to completely change its look. So earning is a random event. First of all, earning numbers are confidential. It's really hard to get those numbers. Even though you get those numbers, you don't know whether a company will miss it or will beat it. Even though you know if they miss it or beat it, you don't know how the investor will react to the earning report. Also, there's a statement about the future earnings. Really hard to make a reasonable assessment and about what the stock is going to do after earning. The best way I can think of, I know of, to do is sell the stock before the earning and use the option to trade the stock. If you think the stock will go down after earning, you can buy put option. If you think they will go up, you can buy call option. If you don't know, you can buy both call and put option. So on next Monday, there's a stocks report earning. Those are the stock report earning. Yahoo is one of them. On October 23rd, and those are the stocks report earning. Altera, Broadcom, ARM Holdings, Inventions, Salesforce, and some biotech as well, Amgen, QCore. And October 24th, and you've got high-tech stocks. Zynga is one of it. Zynga is almost zero right now. IACI is one of it. And then there's a defense contract, General Dynamics, LMT, and NOC. And then there's a pharmaceutical company. And then there's some other companies. TCBI is report earning. On Thursday, Apple will report earning. Biogen, Celgene, Amazon, and Quanta, Expedia, and Wines Resort, WYNN. That's all for this week. See you next week.